If you want to create YouTube videos where AI characters talk, argue, joke, and tell stories just like a real animated film, then this tutorial will completely change the way you make AI videos. Most people can create AI videos, but they struggle when multiple characters need to talk to each other naturally. In this video, I'll show you the exact method to create perfect AI character conversations. If you're creating AI animation videos, but your characters feel lifeless, this trick will make them talk naturally with each other. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to create multiple AI characters with realistic dialogue, perfect lip sync, and cinematic scenes, all using AI tools. And make sure you watch until the end, because I'll also show you the trick that keeps the characters consistent in every single scene. Before starting the video, watch this. I created it completely free using AI tools. Alright, let me show you my WhatsApp channel first. I will give you the link in the description. You can join my channel. Here I provide prompts for every video. And this is my community. If you want any paid tool at the lowest rate, you can simply ask me there. My support is available 24/7. Now, let's start the video. First, we will create an animation story. For that, I have this story prompt. In this prompt, I asked ChatGPT to generate a 900 to 1200 word story, which could be 5 to 7 minutes long. Then there is a structure requirement, where I asked it to generate an animation story only, scene by scene. I don't want any prompts for it. Every scene must include dialogue. Here in the bracket, I will type "if necessary." The dialogue must feel natural. Here, we will give the title of the story, or if you have any story idea, you can type it here to generate the full story. Then, there are important rules for character and scene consistency. We will copy this prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Before hitting enter, we have to put the story title or script in this prompt. For that, I asked ChatGPT to write 7 story ideas for kids animation, and this is what I got. From 1 to 7 different stories, you can pick any one and go with it. Every story has a character name, story idea, and conclusion. Funny, emotional, and moral. This is the same for every story. So, we will copy the story and paste it into the prompt. Now, we will hit enter. As you can see, ChatGPT gave us a full story, and there is no character or image prompt. Here is the complete story with each scene description. Now, we will go to this master prompt. The purpose of this master prompt is to generate prompts with the help of the story we generated earlier. This is step 1 for character generation, then step 2 for scene breakdown and image prompts. Here is the scene format. First, it will key us the scene number, scene description, dialogues, and then characters in the scene. Then it will generate the image prompt, followed by the rules. Step 3 is for video generation prompts. In the input section, we will paste our animation story. Copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Cut this line, then copy the complete story we generated earlier and paste it into this prompt box. Then hit enter. In no time, ChatGPT will give you character generation prompts, which are Lena, Sam, Amir, Grandma, and Rocket. Open a new tab and type Google Whisk AI. I prefer Google Whisk for character generation because it is free and easy to use. Click on Enter Tools. Here you will see a prompt box where we will paste the prompt to generate the character images. Choose the aspect ratio as landscape for YouTube, long style videos. If you want to generate YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels, you can choose portrait. If you click on Add Images, you will see 3 options: subject, scene, and style. We will explore these later. First, generate the character images. For that, go back to ChatGPT, copy the first line, paste it here, then copy the first character prompt, paste it into the prompt box, and hit generate. Within a few seconds, it will give us 2 images. Download the image. Again, go back to ChatGPT, copy the second character prompt, paste it here, hit generate, and wait for the process. Download the image, whichever you like. Repeat the process for all the characters. While generating the characters, don't cut the first line. This is for reference. After generating all the characters, have a look at them. Every character is in 3D ultra quality. Most people were asking whether Google Whisk is going to merge into Google Flow. Yes, this is right. You can generate images and video animations until April 30th, 2026. After that, Google Whisk will move to Flow. For those who don't know how to use it, let's have a quick look. Open a new browser and type Google Flow. Click on the first link, then click on Create with Flow. Here you can see your previous work. Click on New Project. This interface will appear in front of you. It is as simple as Google Whisk. Click here and you will see options like image or video, then the aspect ratio, landscape or portrait, and the number of images you want to generate. I will keep it at the default, 2. This is also free. Image generation will cost you nothing. You can see generation will use 0 credit. We will do the same process. Copy the first line for reference, paste it into the Google Flow prompt box, then copy the first character prompt and paste it below. Hit generate. It will take a few seconds and generate 2 character images. As you can see, the character image is the same as the one we generated on Google Whisk. Let's try with the second character. Copy the second character prompt and paste it here. You can also change the character settings, like I am typing blue hoodie, curly short black hair, and then hit enter. Wait for the process to generate the images. As you can see, we can also modify the character by changing a little bit in the prompt. After generating all the characters, let's move to the next part, which is scene generation. For that, go to ChatGPT, type step 2 and hit enter. As per our requirement, it gave us scene 1 description, dialogue, characters in the scene, and then the scene prompt. This procedure is repeated for every scene. For image generation, go back to Google Whisk AI and click on Add Images for character consistency. Drag and drop the first character image into the subject section and wait for it to analyze the image. Click on the plus icon again, drag the character image here, and repeat the process for the third character mentioned in the scene. Now copy the image prompt, paste it into the prompt box, and hit enter. It will take around 10 to 15 seconds to generate the scene image. As you can see, the characters are the same as the ones we generated earlier. Download the scene image. Go back to ChatGPT and read the description to see which characters are discussed. In this scene, Lena and Sam are the only 2 characters. Copy the scene prompt, go to Google Whisk and uncheck the grandma character because we don't need this character in the scene. Paste the prompt into the prompt box and hit enter. As you can see, only 2 characters are in the image. Repeat the process, go to ChatGPT, copy the third scene prompt, and this time 3 characters are mentioned, Lena, Sam and Rocket. Go back to Google Whisk, click on the plus icon to add 1 more character, and drag and drop this character. Always wait for the image to analyze. Tick mark the image and paste the prompt. Here you can do one more thing, drag and drop the last scene image into the scene section for consistent scenery, then hit enter and download the image. Do this with all the scenes. In this scene, the characters are the same. Copy the scene prompt, go to Google Whisk and paste the prompt here. Now delete the scene image and drag and drop the last scene into the scene section. Hit enter and you will see that the scene image is very similar to the previous one. Download the image and repeat the process for every scene. Always read the description and check how many characters are discussed in the scene. Copy and paste the image prompt and generate the scene. If a new character is added, simply drag and drop the character into the subject section and only tick the characters mentioned in the scene. This way, only the relevant characters will appear in the image. I am fast forwarding the video so you can see the full procedure quickly, and it will be easier for you to understand. In this scene, you can also change whatever you want. If you click on Refine and type Remove House from Backside and hit Enter, you will get a perfect result. Everything is the same except the thing we ask to remove. Download the image. If I show you every image generation process, the video will become very lengthy. So here is the final result of all the scene images. Now this is where the magic really starts to happen, because in the next step we will turn these static images into fully animated scenes with talking characters. Now we will move to our next step, which is video generation prompts. For that, go to ChatGPT, type step 3 and hit enter. It will give us image to video prompts for every scene and also add dialogue where needed. Here we have all 14 scene prompts. For video generation, I mostly prefer Grok. The reason is that it is super fast, free and easy to use. Also, if there is dialogue in the scene, this tool is excellent for lip sync. Open a new tab and type Grok. Click on Imagine. Here we will again select the aspect ratio to landscape, just like we used earlier, because we are making a long YouTube video. Upload the scene image. Copy the first scene description with dialogue, paste it here and click Generate. It will take some time, but believe me, it is worth the wait. Perfect lip sync.
We should bring everything inside. Storms are awesome!
The characters are delivering their own dialogue and not interrupting each other. Click on the 3 dots and upscale the video. After upscaling, HD will appear on the video. Download it. Repeat the process with the second scene. Click on Imagine, upload the second scene image, then go to ChatGPT, copy the description with dialogue, paste it here, and click Generate. It will take some time, but the result will be awesome. As you can see, the results are perfect again. Upscale the video and download it. Now we will continue generating the remaining scene videos using the same method. As the process continues, each scene from the story slowly turns into a short animated clip. The characters start interacting with each other naturally, following the dialogue that was generated earlier. Because the same character references and scene structure were used during image creation, every new scene keeps the characters consistent, making the animation feel like a real animated story instead of random AI clips. You'll notice that the characters respond to each other with proper timing, react to their surroundings, and deliver their dialogue smoothly. This is where the real power of AI animation becomes clear. Instead of manually animating every movement, the AI understands the scene and automatically brings the characters to life. The lip sync also plays an important role here because because the characters' mouth movements match the dialogue, which makes the interaction feel much more natural and engaging for the viewer. As more scenes appear, the story gradually unfolds. Each clip represents a different moment in the narrative. Sometimes the characters are talking to each other, sometimes reacting emotionally, and sometimes simply moving through the environment as the story progresses. Since the dialogue was written scene by scene earlier, the conversation flows naturally and helps the audience stay connected to the story. By the time all 14 scenes are generated, you now have a full collection of animated clips that together complete the entire storyline from beginning to end. Now that all the scene clips are ready, the final step is simply organizing everything into one complete video. For that, you can use any video editor like CapCut, Premiere Pro, or even free mobile editing apps. Import all the scene videos in order from scene 1 to scene 14. Place all the generated clips on the timeline in the correct story order, so the narrative flows naturally from the first scene to the last. Since the characters already have their dialogue and lip sync inside each clip, the main focus during editing is just making sure the transitions between scenes feel smooth and the pacing of the story looks natural. While reviewing the timeline, you can trim the beginning or ending of certain clips slightly so each scene connects cleanly with the next one. Small adjustments like this help the story move forward without awkward pauses or sudden cuts. You can also add very simple scene transitions, so the change from one moment to another feels more polished and cinematic. Once everything is arranged and the full story plays smoothly from start to finish, review the entire video one more time to make sure all scenes connect properly and the dialogue flows naturally across the animation. After that, export the final video in high quality so all the visual details remain sharp. And just like that, your complete AI animated story is ready with multiple characters, natural dialogue, and cinematic scenes created entirely using AI tools. As you can see, this method makes it much easier to create engaging animated stories without needing advanced animation skills. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more AI video creation tutorials like this. And if you have any questions or want to see more tutorials on AI animation, feel free to let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.